Space, which looks completely black and silent, is actually happening so much here that we can neither hear nor understand. NASA's probes have recorded some strange sounds in space that leave every person stunned after hearing them. Hello, friends. You are watching Fact Galaxy, where we bring you real and heart-touching stories. If you enjoy this story, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Viewers, on September 5, 1977, NASA launched a space probe into interstellar space. This space probe is known as Voyager 1, which has been in contact with NASA's base station for the past 47 years. Voyager 1 was launched on a mission from which there is no hope of returning. This space probe is traveling at a speed of 61,500 km per hour in deep space and is currently sending us information about our solar system and this universe while floating far away in the darkness of space. This part of space is also known as interstellar space. As soon as it entered interstellar space in 2012, one day, NASA scientists received a signal from Voyager 1 that was going to cause everyone shock. When that signal was decoded, it had a strange sound that Voyager 1 had recorded. What was that thing in the depths of space, billions of kilometers away from our world, whose sound had shocked the scientists? This sound was recorded about 14 billion kilometers away from Earth. And it was such a sound that was not even taking the name of ending or decreasing. The scientists waited for many days, but this sound was not ending, but it was not decreasing either. 1 year passed by, then the second year, and then after 3 years, this strange sound was seen to be lacking in intensity. This sound was the longest recorded sound in the history of Voyager 1 in 44 years. But apart from this sound, another thing was bothering the scientists. Yes, the point where Voyager 1 recorded this sound for the first time, after 3 years, it had gone 1.6 billion kilometers away from that point. But still, this sound was the same. Where did the sound that spread so far in space come from? This had puzzled the big researchers and scientists. One thing was confirmed, that there is some kind of power out of our solar system that is the reason for this sound. But there is no sound in space. So how was it recorded? It is a fact that while going into space, there is no sound on the ears of any kind. So if during a spacewalk, there is an explosion right next to the astronauts, that explosion will be visible, but its sound will not reach the ears. The sound that we need air and atmosphere to reach our ears, these two things are not present in space. That is why no kind of sound can travel in space. Sound waves cannot travel in space, but electromagnetic waves can easily travel in space. Of course, our ears cannot hear these waves, but Voyager 1 recorded these waves and sent them to Earth so that we can decode and listen to them. This was the unique sound that Voyager 1 sent from interstellar space. Some scientists say that this sound must have come from the travel of plasma waves in space, while some researchers say that there are definitely some powers in deep space that produce this sound due to their energy. What are those powers? Why does their energy release sound? We humans do not yet have the ability to think, understand, and know this. Voyager 1 captures these waves from its antennas, converts them into radio signals, and then transmits them to Earth. No doubt this message travels at the speed of light, but it does not reach NASA's antennas on Earth. It takes 21 hours to reach NASA's antennas. This was not the first time that Voyager 1 sent us a unique sound. NASA has already been successful in recording many unique sounds from space. In 2007, there was an incident that shocked scientists. researchers found some signals in space that were not normal at all. In a state of silence, some sounds began to appear that disappeared in half a second. Hearing these sounds, it seemed that perhaps an alien warship was trying to attack Voyager with a laser beam. These recorded sounds, which are called fast radio bursts, were something like this. Hearing these sounds, scientists were convinced that the more we try to know about deep space, the more we will get entangled in questions. Researchers believe that these radio bursts can be the result of a supernova explosion in a black hole or billions of light years away. Many researchers also believe that aliens on other planets are much more advanced than us, and they charge their spaceships with these radio bursts. Perhaps some of these radio bursts have collided with our space probe or just passed by it. But no one knows the real truth of this strange sound yet. These are the sounds that NASA recorded from interstellar space. But there is no need to go so far to record such strange sounds. Even from our own solar system, NASA has recorded many unique and scary sounds. Voyager 2, which NASA launched for the research of our solar system's planets, has also recorded many such sounds that have put the whole world in trouble. This is the moon of Jupiter, which is known as Ganymede, and this is its voice. Scientists believe that this voice is of such electromagnetic waves that produce polar lights. Just as there are polar lights in the sky in many parts of the Earth, there are polar lights in Saturn, Jupiter, and Ganymede. And it is possible that the voice you just heard is the voice of the moon of Jupiter, which is going to be born in Ganymede. The strange sounds you have heard so far have not been published by anyone else, but NASA has officially published them and no editing has been done in them. Saturn, which is a planet of our solar system, NASA has also recorded some strange sounds from here. NASA believes that this sound is the spacecraft has converted the radio waves, and this is probably the result of the polar lights in Saturn. Voyager 1, which has been continuously providing us photos and information of outer space for the past 47 years. The sad thing is that we are going to lose it forever and ever. NASA says that Voyager 1 has only so much power that it can stay in contact with us for the next 1 or 2 years. After that, we will only have these photos of it. Once again, I request you to subscribe to the channel and share the video with other people so that the reach of our channel increases and we get the motivation to make more such videos. See you in the next video with another interesting topic. Take care of yourself.